Good evening, everyone. My name is Obikelechi Daniel. I'm the founder of KC Daniel Graphics and co-founder of AgroNev. Today, I want to walk you through on the process of how I create my images for design. So this is actually a new process I've employed into designing. So if you're a graphic designer, a UI UX designer, and a front-end developer, this video will be helpful. Is something you should have in your arsenal. And if you also work with images a lot and you'll be having issue generating images, probably getting the right image, this is also a tool you can utilize. So today I'm working on a product design process. I've done the design before. This is a design I've done, but then I want to like try and see what AI can do when trying to use AI for product design. So let me show you the design quickly. So here in CorelDRAW, this is actually product design. I did it over, I think, a year ago or so. So it took me hours to complete. This now I couldn't even complete this. I was actually tired of it, so I had to like drop it. But then this is the product we want to use for this design precisely. So things you want to get is a context image, a good prompt, because we're making use of ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Nano Banana precisely, and I think that's all. The image quality is okay, so we'll not be needing any upscaling features or so. So let's go to Pinterest. Pinterest is like is where you get different images, different stock images for free, even if the quality is not as good as the exact image, but it's nice. You get inspirations there. You can see designs, videos, even short reels and all that. So this is the product I'm working with today. This is the one I want actually, but then you can get variety of products. You can try it out, try a lot. There are a lot here, so you can just pick anyone. So this is the image. You can just click on these three dots and download it. I already have it. I've downloaded it about 3 times due to I was recording and it was crashing and everything. So but then let's move to the process. Firstly, you want to get a good prompt for this product generation. That's like the basis of everything. The better the prompt, the better the design. So if you can get a good prompt, you'll be able to achieve a good design. So let's go to Chrome, and firstly this is Google Gemini, but first we want to go to ChatGPT and tell it to help us prompt Nano Banana. So now we're going to feed the images to ChatGPT to generate a prompt for us for Nano Banana. So let's upload the image. We'll add the background image as well as the sample, that's the product sample. So I already have this simple prompt I generated for ChatGPT. So let's put it in. You can pause and read. We wait for ChatGPT to generate its prompt. You can read through and be sure what you're doing before you proceed. So now we'll copy it and paste in Nano Banana. So upload, you upload the same context image. So once you have uploaded, you can paste in the prompts and you can read. Definitely to come with a watermark, so let's remove this. And that's it. You can add create image context, then send. Let's see what we get. So let's wait for Nano Banana to generate this image. So you can see it gave us almost the same thing as the image. You can download and view. You can't actually zoom it here, so let's download and view. It's actually taking time, but it will come through. So this is like the simplest way to create a product design without being able to design or being a pro designer or having the idea of understanding Photoshop or those rigorous apps. You just need to understand the basics, then probably leverage on AI and every other thing. My network is actually disturbing, but then okay, this is the image. Let's view it. So you can see the quality of the image. You can see it's giving us almost the same thing as a pro designer. You can observe the lighting and everything. So with this you can design 10 times faster, leverage on speed that AI provides, and every other thing. Smart design, beautiful design, we just having little to no knowledge of design. So this is like a good tool to have to understand how to integrate AI into designing. So thank you all. You can also try creating a landscape images. That is landscape images to say, sorry. So let's go and let's say okay. Change it to a landscape image. So it's actually taking time, but then okay, it's going through. So you can see this is the landscape image. So this is actually easy to do, little to no knowledge of design. It's just understanding prompting and how to use context images to achieve a desirable design. So just take your time. Probably next time we'll talk about upscaling and every other type of design generation, from mockups to the rest of them. So thank you for sticking with me on this one. I hope you leverage on AI and make good use of it. So this is it. Thank you.